so today we're back with another tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a traditional quick weave. First things first, we shampoo our client's hair and we blow her out. Once we get her hair all dry, we're going to section off the area where we want her part to be. This is where the leave out is, and we braid away from that area. This creates a flat look along the part, and it helps it look more natural. Once the hair is all braided down, we add a stocking cap and we sew around the perimeter. After sewing the stocking down, we add our got to be spray and we blow dry it, creating a barrier between the hair and the extensions. We glue our tracks on starting from the bottom onto the top. Please communicate with your client on how they want their hair to fall, whether they want it in their face, she did, or not. If you wait till it's too late, it's just that, too late, and that's a disaster. We want our clients to come back, so please communicate. Once we have all the tracks in the client's head, I like to go through on the leave out with my hot comb. I like to use a wax stick. This keeps the hair from reverting. We went for a bob haircut with layers in the back, and I love that she did this because it's not often that I cut into the back of bobs anymore. Like, it's not a thing of the past, but it's just like one of the trends are blunt cuts. So it's good to be able to actually use my shears, you know what I'm saying? This is basically the finished look. I'm just cross-checking, making sure that I have all the hairs where I need them to be. Anything that's out of place, I go back and I cut it a little more. I'm looking in my mirror as I'm doing this because the mirror does not lie, you guys. Look in your mirror, see what it's looking like, because whatever you see in the mirror, that's what others are seeing. And yeah, this is it. Now remember, guys, there's more than one way to skin a cat. This is just my way. Thank you for joining me. And I am at a new salon now, you guys. It's called the Hair Rock Cafe. It is downtown Atlanta, 385 Marietta Street. It's right by the aquarium. Come and see me and come and see the rest of the ladies that are in the shop. I really like it. And I know that you will love it as well. Can't wait to see you guys and have a good day on purpose.